this video, we'll be seeing some of the security features offered by Cloudways. First of all, if you don't have an account, you have to create the account. I'll give the link on the description. You can also use the promo code CC while creating your account and you will get an extra discount. So you can use the promo code CC and you can sign up. I have logged into my Cloudways account. Now let's launch a new WordPress website. Click on Add Application, select WordPress. You can give the name of the application here, server name. So we are going to use the same name here. You can select the server of your choice. I'm going with DigitalOcean. So let's select the server size now. Let's keep to 2 GB itself, and you can now select the location. Okay, and you can click on launch. Now our server is ready. We can go to the application section. This is our application URL. So let's open this, and here you can see the WordPress website. Now let's go to the vulnerability scanner, and here we can simply click on refresh. So the vulnerability scanner checks for existing vulnerabilities and will notify you. So let's wait for this to complete. So here we can see that there is one issue. So if you go to the WordPress and on the status, you can see insecure. So let's go to view details here. So here we can see it is of low priority. So like this, we could see the vulnerabilities and issues with the plugins and the themes that we have installed. So the next thing that we can check out is bot protection. So let's go to bot protection, and by default it is turned on. And if you scroll down, you can see the traffic request, login request, and here you can see I have logged into the admin dashboard. So that's also shown here, and also the traffic from bots also shown here. Okay, so that's with bot protection. You can simply turn this on and it will work. So the next thing that we can see is SSL certificate. So this is one of the important things that you will need for your website. Nowadays, without SSL, Chrome will not even allow users to visit your website. So SSL is one of the important things, and you can even get a free SSL by Let's Encrypt in Cloudways. You simply have to select the Let's Encrypt option. You also can upload your own custom SSL. If you're buying an SSL, you can upload that here. And you simply have to give the domain and the email here. So you have to add the domain first. Okay, so for that, you can go to domain management and add your domain here. Add a domain, and you can enter the domain here and add it. So I already have done a video about this. I'll give the link on the description. You can check that out. Or you can simply click on this help section here, need help, and it will show you a detailed article. You can check that and follow along. So simply add a domain and come to SSL, add your email here, add the domain name, and you can even check the wildcard, apply wildcard, and click on install set. That's it. So SSL will be added to your domain. Now we can go to save updates. Now this feature can really come handy when your site has enough traffic. So when you're doing any updates on your website, whether it be a theme or a plugin or even your WordPress version, you can always use this. So you simply have to activate this for a price of $3 per month. And this will give you a peace of mind when you're working with a website with enough traffic. So let's activate this and see what it does. Save updates is enabled, and if you scroll down, you can see few plugins are available for updates. So we can check these plugins and click on update here. Okay, so you can either select all, simply click on this and it will select all the plugins, or you can select each one by one. Okay, so let's select all the plugins. We are only having the plugins for update, and let's click on update. So now you can see it is building a staging site. That means it is creating a copy of your site, and it will do all the changes on that. And later, after doing all the validations, it will update it to the production site. So that's what it is going to happen here. So we can wait till this process completes. After creating the staging site, it does all these tests like speed test, and also check for the update results, checks for HTML, CSS result, network errors, and also the WordPress error logs. Then it also takes screenshot of the website and then compares it with the newly updated version. And only if all these matches, it will update it to the production site. So now the safe updates are complete. You can see all the plugins are updated to the latest one. So safe updates are very useful for a website with enough traffic. So if you're having a website with traffic, safe updates will make things easy for you. In addition to all this, we are having the Cloudways Enterprise version. If you are enabling this, you'll get additional security features also provided by Cloudways. Cloudways has added a new feature, Malware Protection. It automatically identifies and removes malicious code from our application files and database. It also offers real-time scan and scheduled scan, automated cleanup, etc. So let's try this. First of all, we have to enable this. There is a fee. You can check that here. Now it is enabled. Let's try running a scan. Click on Start a Scan. You can see the progress here. You can see that the scan is completed. Let's go to Scan History. And you can see the file scan and the database, etc. So now, in order to test this, we can disable this. Let's disable this one. And for testing, we can go to our Themes File Editor option here. Okay, open the WordPress dashboard and come here inside the functions.php. Let's scroll down and let's add some malicious code here. So I have added this and let's try dating this file right now. If you try to add this while this is enabled, it will automatically remove that. So that's why I disabled it. So let's update the file, and if you have any cache plugins, you can clear the cache. Now we can go to this route, that is get route backdoor equal to create, and we can create a new user. So let's do that. So here we can give $backdoor equal to create and hit enter. Now a new user will be created. We can check that by going to the database and let's refresh this, and you can see the new user, that is tadmin user. Okay. So the password and username is this one. Okay. So let's use that and try to log in. So let's go to open this in incognito and we can try logging in with the no user details. And now you can see the user is logging in with admin privileges. Okay. So hope you understand that part. So let's try enabling this once more. We are going to enable this WAC. Okay. Now it is enabled. So you can see as soon as it is enabled, you can see it has detected this file is having some issue and it is doing the cleanup. So wait for it to complete. If you go to this edit theme file and try refreshing this page, you can see that code will be automatically removed from this file. You can see here, the function is empty. So wait for this to complete. So it will automatically scan and detected any issues. So you can see threat detected here. See? So it will automatically scan and delete issues in real time. This can help in improving your security and prevent malware attacks. You can know more about this by going to the Need Help section and clicking on this. And you can read this article to know more about this feature. So hope you find this video useful. We are also able to provide a discount for our viewers in collaboration with Cloudways. Simply use the coupon code CODECC and you can avail the discounts. Check the description for more details. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.